The straw Emma's this is a straw Emma's using, and I have tape, or rubber band around the very, very top, just to help give her a little bit of input to not go past there. So she does really well with this. So I'm going to show you an example of her drinking using the straw. Ready? Okay. You say hi. You say hi.
Ah!
Hi, good. Very nice. Very nice. You sit back. Sit back. Let mommy come to you. All right. Good job, Emma. Good job.